If you have been planning to become a registered patent agent or trademark agent in India, the window has just opened. In this video, I will walk you through the complete official schedule, what you need to register, important dates you cannot miss, and a quick overview of what this exam actually tests. Let me first share the official schedule directly from the CGPDTM public notice. The Controller General of Patents, Designs and Trademarks is the official authority that conducts this exam. So what exactly is the Patent Agent exam? Let me give you a quick overview. The exam has 3 components. Paper 1, which tests your knowledge of the Patents Act, patent rules, and Design Act. Paper 2, which tests your ability to draft patent claims and specifications. And Viva Voce, an interview conducted only for candidates who clear both papers. To qualify, you need a minimum of 50% in each paper, and an overall aggregate of 60% across the written exam and Viva combined. Now let us talk about who can apply. The eligibility criteria are defined under Section 126 of the Patents Act. Your age must be 21 years or above, you must be a citizen of India, and you must hold a degree in science, engineering, or technology from a recognized university. Next, registration for the exam. It can be done online through the official IP India website. The registration module will open on June 15, 2026. You will need to create an account, fill in your personal and educational details, upload your degree certificate and photograph, and pay the application fee. The Patent Agent exam is on January 10, 2027. You have roughly 7 months to prepare. 7 months is a very comfortable preparation window if you start now and stay consistent. In my next video, I will give you a complete Paper 1 versus Paper 2 strategy, what to study, in what order, and how much time to allocate to each topic. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel. I will be uploading regularly as we approach the exam. Drop your questions in the comments. I read every single one. All the best. See you in the next video.